Welcome back to Auto Moto Insight, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the most up-to-date reviews and insights. Today we have something exciting to talk about, the 2025 Changan Oshan X7, a compact SUV that's been making waves in the market. Let's get into it. The 2025 Changan Oshan X7 is part of the growing trend of affordable SUVs that combine modern technology with stylish designs and, of course, performance. First, let's take a look at the overall design. Changan has put a lot of effort into making the Oshan X7 visually appealing, with bold lines, a striking front grille, and sleek LED headlights. The SUV's design gives it a sporty and premium feel, which is sure to attract a lot of attention on the road. Inside, the cabin of the Oshan X7 continues the trend of combining modern design with practicality. The interior is spacious, with ample legroom and headroom for both the front and rear passengers. The materials used are of high quality, with soft touch surfaces and a clean, minimalistic dashboard layout. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system is the centerpiece, offering smooth navigation, smartphone integration, and advanced connectivity options. Whether you're using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, the system responds quickly, making it easy to stay connected while on the go. In terms of comfort, the seats are supportive and well-cushioned, making long drives a breeze. There's also plenty of cargo space for your belongings, with the rear seats offering a 60/40 split folding option, so you can expand the boot if needed. The Oshan X7 doesn't compromise on interior features either, offering options like a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, and a premium sound system. But we all know that an SUV's performance is what really matters. The 2025 Changan Oshan X7 comes equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering a solid balance of power and efficiency. The engine produces around 185 horsepower, which is more than enough for most driving situations. It's paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, which provides smooth and quick shifts, making it feel responsive whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. In terms of driving dynamics, the Oshan X7 performs well. The suspension does a good job of absorbing bumps, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rough roads. The steering feels direct and responsive, and while it's not a performance SUV, it handles well enough to make it enjoyable for daily driving. Plus, with its front-wheel drive setup, it's perfect for urban environments, offering good maneuverability in tight spaces. Safety is always a priority when it comes to modern vehicles, and Changan has loaded the Oshan X7 with a comprehensive suite of safety features. The standard package includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Additionally, it has a high-strength steel frame, which enhances its overall safety ratings. These features make the Oshan X7 a great choice for families who want a safe, reliable, and practical SUV. Now, let's talk about value. One of the standout points of the 2025 Changan Oshan X7 is its price. Changan has managed to deliver a well-rounded, feature-packed vehicle at a price point that's hard to beat. When you compare it to its competitors, the Oshan X7 offers a lot more features and tech at a lower cost, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly SUV without compromising on quality. Overall, the 2025 Changan Oshan X7 is an impressive SUV that offers great value for money. It checks all the boxes: stylish design, a comfortable and tech-filled interior, solid performance, and a focus on safety. Whether you're a city dweller or someone who likes to get out and explore, the Oshan X7 offers a well-rounded package that's hard to ignore. And that's all for today's review of the 2025 Changan Oshan X7. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Auto Moto Insight for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars and motorcycles. Leave us a comment below. What do you think about the Oshan X7? Would you consider it for your next SUV? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.